Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest and greatest gear on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of trolling motors, specifically the Minn Kota 1352155M Endura Max 55LB. Thrust with a 36 shaft. If you're in the market for the best Minn Kota Endura, look no further. The Minn Kota 1352155M Endura Max sets the standard for performance, reliability, and durability. Let's talk about what sets this trolling motor apart. First up, the lever lock bracket. This solid 10-position bracket features a quick-release lever lock and reinforced composite material, ensuring it resists flexing, warping, and UV damage. But it's not just about durability, it's also about ease of use. The telescoping tiller provides easy, comfortable, and intuitive operation, with a 6-inch telescoping tiller allowing for finite adjustment of forward and reverse speed settings. Now, let's talk about efficiency. Equipped with digital maximizer, this trolling motor provides up to 5 times longer run times on a single battery charge. You can dial in your exact speed, conserving your battery for a full day of fishing. And no more guessing about battery life. With the push-to-test battery meter, you can instantly check the status of your battery life with the press of a button. Power is nothing without reliability. The power prop delivers extra power to push through heavy vegetation, ensuring you can navigate any waters with ease. And let's talk about durability. The indestructible composite shaft, guaranteed for life, ensures that your trolling motor can withstand whatever you throw at it. So, whether you're a weekend angler or a seasoned pro, the Minn Kota 1352155M Endura Max 55LB. Thrust with a 36 shaft is the ultimate companion for your fishing adventures. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy fishing!